Yo, what's up guys? What a time to be a Trae Young guy and to be part of the Washington Wizards. Sa wakas ay nanalo na sa NBA Draft Lottery. Matapos ang ilang taon na paghihirap at 17-65 record ngayong season, nakuha nila ang golden ticket, ang number 1 overall pick para sa 2026 NBA Draft. And let's be real, alam nating lahat kung sino ang kukunin nila. Walang iba kundi ang BYU sensation na si AJ Dybantsa. Ito na nga ba ang missing piece para maging seryosong contender ang DC? So buckle up, and dahil titingnan natin ang combo nila with Trae Young, Anthony Davis at Dybantsa. So kung magpapakaba sa Eastern Conference. Bago tayo dumiretso kay AJ, pag-usapan muna natin yung context. Nitong nakaraang season, binigla ng Wizards ang mundo nang mag-trade sila para kay Trae Young at Anthony Davis. Kahit hindi natin sila masyadong nakitang magkasama dahil sa injuries, 15 games lang si Trae at si AD naman ay may hand injury na potential scary yung duo na yun eh. Imagine, mayroon kang elite floor general at isa sa pinaka-dominanting big man sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Ang kulang na lang talaga ay isang dynamic wing player na kayang mag-create ng sarili niyang tira at maging bridge sa opensa. Enter AJ Dybantsa. Sino nga ba si AJ Dybantsa? Sa mga hindi nakatutok sa college ball, he led the nation in scoring sa BYU, averaging 25.5 points per game, standing at 6'9" with a 6'11" wingspan. He has the prototype body of a modern NBA superstar wing. Para siyang hybrid ni na Tracy McGrady at Paul George. Kayang-kaya niyang umiscore sa lahat ng level, mid-range, sa rim, at unti-unti na ring nagiging threat sa 3-point distance. At ang pinaka-crucial dito, he is ready to contribute from day one. Pagdating sa strengths, Dybantsa's main weapon is his elite shot creation. Hindi siya yung tipong wing na kailangan pang subuan ng bola. He can get to his spots on his own. Sobrang fluid ng handle niya para sa isang 6'9". Meron siyang shifty movement at elite first step na madaling nakaka-bypass sa mga defenders. In the NBA, where isolation scoring is key during clutch moments, Dybantsa will thrive, lalo na hindi sa kanya lahat ng focus sa depensa dahil kailangan din nilang bantayan si Trae at AD. Hindi lang sa opensa ang laro ni AJ. With his length and athleticism, he has the potential to be a lockdown two-way wing. Sa Washington, kailangan nila ng protection sa perimeter, lalo na alam nating si Trae Young ay hindi naman defensive specialist. Dybantsa can guard multiple positions, from guard to forwards. Ang wingspan niya ay perfect para mang-istorbo ng passing lanes at magbigay ng weak side rim protection. Once he develops his defensive discipline, he will be a nightmare for opposing teams. Paano nga ba sila magsasama-sama? This is the scary part. With Trae Young's gravity at the perimeter, laging magkakaroon ng space si Dybantsa. Isipin niyo yung pick and roll ni na Trae at AD, tapos si AJ Dybantsa ang nakaantabay sa wings or cutting to the basket. Too many options. Hindi mo alam kung sino ang dodoblehin mo. If you double Trae, it's a lob to AD or a kick out to Dybantsa. If you play them straight up, AJ will cook you one-on-one. This is a balanced attack that most teams can't handle. Pero syempre, walang perfect na prospect. For AJ, ang kailangan niyang trabahuin ang consistency sa labas. He shot around 33% from deep sa BYU. Hindi naman masama, pero kailangan niya itong itaas para mas maging effective ang spacing ng Wizards. Also, sometimes he settles for contested jumpers. Sa NBA, he needs to learn how to play within the flow of the offense and not force the issue. Lalo na't kasama niya ang dalawang superstars. It's all about maturing as a decision maker. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Will Anthony Davis stay? Maraming usapan na baka mag-demand siya ng trade dahil sa bad season ng Wizards. But with this number 1 pick, why would he leave, diba? Nakikita na ni AD na may direction yung team. Getting a generational talent like Dybantsa means a rebuild is officially over. AD is now in a position where he can compete for a ring again without having to carry the entire load. This pick effectively secures the Wizards' future and keeps their stars happy. Are they a playoff team? Definitely yes. A healthy Trae Young, a healthy Anthony Davis plus Dybantsa, tapos may Alexander Sarr, tapos si George. That's a scary eh. People forget na the Wizards have been stacking young talents. Kung magiging healthy lang sila, hindi lang playoff yung usapan eh. Posible pa silang maging top 4 sa East. They have the star power, they have the size, and now they have the blue chip prospect to tie it all together. At the end of the day, Wizards fans, it's time to celebrate. Mula 2010 pa yung huling nakuha natin ang John Wall sa number 1. At ngayon, ang swerte ay bumalik na sa DC. AJ Dybala is the real deal and the league should be on notice. Ano sa tingin nyo? Magiging instant contender ba ang Wizards sa pagdating ni AJ? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video at mag-subscribe. I will now step back. Bye-bye.